Hi friends, today I am going to show you a super easy and delicious choco lava cake. Soft inside and full of melted chocolate. Let's start the recipe. First, cut the dark chocolate into small pieces. Put it in a bowl. Then add 1 cup of boiled milk and mix it well. Take mixer grinder, put Oreo biscuits and make a nice powder. Like this. Add it to the bowl and mix it well. Put half spoon of baking soda. Mix them. Put them in aluminium foil cups. Place your pan. Place a steel stand and put the cake cups and close them with a lid. For low to medium heat for 10 to 11 minutes. Like this. Our choco lava cake is now ready to serve. Garnish with powdered sugar and white chocolate chips. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.